Hey, imagine earning cash while you relax. Sounds unbelievable, right? Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll never miss out on my latest tips and tricks to make money online fast and efficiently. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. And while you're here, why not drop a comment below letting me know which country you're watching from? I'm always eager to tailor my content to suit your region and needs. Your feedback is invaluable in helping me create content that truly resonates with you. Alright, let's dive straight into it. If you're on the hunt for a side hustle that literally makes money while you do nothing, you absolutely need to know about Honeygain. It's a game changer in the world of passive income. This free app can help you start earning cash in just minutes. No work, no complicated setup. Imagine making money while you relax at home or even while you sleep. Here's how it works. Honeygain lets you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's as simple as that. You're essentially getting paid for something you're not even using. All you have to do is install the app on your device, whether it's Android, Windows, Mac, or even Linux. It's compatible with almost any device you might have. Once it's running, it quietly works in the background, turning that extra data into real money. You won't even notice it's there, but your wallet will. The best part? You don't have to do anything. No surveys, no mindless clicking, no watching endless ads. It's the ultimate inconvenience. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, scrolling through social media, or even if your device is just sitting there, Honeygain does the hard work for you. It's like having a money-making machine in your pocket. It's totally hands-off and completely passive. You can literally set it and forget it. Now, if you want to boost your earnings even more, here's a neat trick. Invite your friends. The more, the merrier, and the richer you become. When they sign up through your link, you'll get 25% of whatever they make, automatically. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So the more friends you refer, the more money you can stack up, all without lifting a finger. It's like building your own little money-making network. Once you hit the $20 minimum payout, you can cash out through PayPal. It's quick, easy, and secure. Or, if you're into cryptocurrency, you can opt for a payout in Jump token depending on what works best for you. It's all about flexibility and choice. So, you're free to spend your earnings however you like. Whether it's shopping, saving, or investing, the choice is yours. Honestly, it doesn't get any easier than this. Just install the app, let it run, and watch your earnings grow. It's like magic, but real. If you're looking for a simple, free way to make money online, especially if you want something passive, Honeygain is definitely worth a look. It's a no-brainer for anyone wanting to earn extra cash. I want to hear from you. Have you tried Honeygain, or do you have any tips for boosting your passive income? Your experiences could help others on their journey to financial freedom. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's help each other out. We're all in this together, and your insights are invaluable. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss a new side hustle. Your support means the world to me. Catch you in the next one.